Voltage regulators, as discussed in previous lesson, can also be made using diodes specifically manufactured to operate in breakdown region. These are known as Zener diodes. Voltage regulators provide constant DC output voltages in the face of changes in their load current and system's power supply voltage. Looking at the figure on your screen, we can see that the breakdown region of the diode does provide an almost vertical line to signify a negligible change in voltage for a large change in current. For currents greater than the knee current IZK here, the characteristic is almost a straight line. The manufacturer gives this value as well as VZ and IZT, which are the voltage and current across the Zener diode at point Q. When the current changes from IZT, the voltage will also change slightly. RZ is the inverse of the slope of this line. It is called the incremental resistance of the Zener diode at Q. RZ generally has a low value, but near the knee, its value increases. Therefore, it is best to operate the diode away from the knee. Manufacturer also specifies the maximum power that the diode can dissipate. Because of the almost linear region of the diode, we can model it by this circuit. VZ0 denotes the point at which this straight line extrapolates and hits the y-axis. Vz is therefore given by Vz0 plus RZIZ. Remember, this is the equation of a straight line, and it is only possible for the region given by IZ greater than IZK and Vz greater than Vz0, where the graph is almost a straight line.